We will do some more buffer titration questions in this video. Before we start, let's revise on some of the formula which you already know. The formula for molarity, the formula for pH, the acid ionization constant, and the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Find the concentration of 30 milliliter of a weak acid. The pH of the solution is found to be 4.80 when I add 20 milliliter sodium hydroxide of 0.065 molar into it. The Ka of the weak acid is given. Let's start by assuming that the concentration of the weak acid be C molar. So from the concentrations I can calculate the moles. Why do I need the moles? Because all neutralized reaction it's easy to see how much gets neutralized based on the moles. Therefore the moles of the weak acid will be equal to the volume of the acid 30 milliliters times concentration C means I have C moles in 1000 milliliters. Therefore the moles becomes equal to 0.03 C. And the moles of sodium hydroxide I calculated in similar manner and get a value for it. Now set up the equilibrium, the neutralization equation between the weak acid and the base. And with I have the moles of HA as 0.03 C and that of sodium hydroxide is 1.30 10 to the power of negative 3. And when the assumption is all of the NaOH gets used up by the acid. So the new concentration of HA will be 0.03 C minus 1.30 10 to the power of minus 3. And NaOH will become 0. So I have the moles of the salt also, NaA. So now I can use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH is given, Ka is given, and I have the moles of the salt and the acid. Now again, if you want to convert the moles into concentration, you need to divide it by the volume. The total volume is 50. But it doesn't matter as far as the calculation is concerned. I have a 50 at the numerator, I will have a 50 at the denominator, they will get cancelled. So that's the reason that step is not shown here. I am using the moles directly into the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. So substitute all the values into it. And the series of steps by which the calculation is done is also shown there. And based on this, I get the value of C as 0.082 molar. When 50 milliliter of 0.10 molar weak acid is added into 10 milliliter of 0.100 sodium hydroxide, the pH of the solution was 8.7. Calculate the ionization constant of the acid. So this is again a different kind of a solution question. So but similar to the previous question, start by calculating the moles of the acid and moles of sodium hydroxide and set up the neutralization equation. And in the neutralization equation, when you set up the ice table, you get the moles of the acid and the salt. So you know that we have to use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. And as the argument goes, as we have told before also, these moles, if you don't divide by the total volume, it's also okay because the volume is going to get cancelled in the ratios. So substitute all the values into the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation and proceed with the calculation. And you will see that the Ka of the acid comes out as 4.8 10 to the power of negative 10. Let us finish off this video by doing a very easy question. Calculate the pH of a buffer. I prepare it by adding 250 milliliter 2 molar sodium hydroxide and 400 milliliter of 2 molar weak acid. The Ka of the acid is given. So it's not a difficult question at all. And find out the moles of HA and moles of NaOH, and after that set up the neutralization equation, set up the ice table, calculate the moles, substitute it into the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, and you get the value of pH.